lead in dressing to secure the wound. First is you place the triangle upright. Make sure that the apex of the triangle is facing your patient. So apex, head of the triangle. Put your dorsal of the hand, put your hand on the middle of the base of the triangle. This is my patient with small hand, you will on the middle of the triangle. Medially. So that's the triangle. And then carry the apex of the triangle and then cover the base of your finger to the wrist. Base of the finger to the wrist. So apex of the triangle to the base of the finger to the wrist. Like that. And then both the edges of the triangle, carry it to the other sides. So if the base of the triangle is, if it's the left base of the triangle, carry it to the right. But since my patient has small hands, I have to let it be fit. So I tuck it in, my small hands, tuck it in, like that. This is to make sure that it's fit for the size of the hand of my patient. And then the right edge of the triangle, I bring it to the left. Then tuck in small plates, like that. See? It's already fit. And then both of the edges, the ones that you have just carried on the opposite side, wrap it around the arm of the patient. Wrap it around the arm. And then you do the square knot. Square knot, right over left, and then left over right.